guitar player, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I hope you like it, and I hope you like and subscribe to it, because that really helps us out a lot, and it's completely free. So this is a nice song that has mostly some bar chords, and I think any beginner can play it. If you put a little time and effort to it, I think you can play it. So let's get started, all right? So the driving force behind this song is this G chord. To make this G chord, you're just going to bar the 3rd fret here. Put your 3rd finger down here on the 5th fret of the A, 5th fret of the D string, and the 4th fret of the G string. And get those strings to ring nice. To begin with, the song is in standard tuning, and it starts out with not really an acoustic guitar, but a clean sounding guitar. So it's going to do this G string thing. So you're going to play the G chord, and then you're going to lift your number 1 finger off here and keep the rest of them down here. So. Then it ends on this G chord and just kind of lets it ring out, and he starts to sing. He does that 4 times. He starts singing, he does it 4 more times. The 3rd time around, it changes a little bit. It goes. So the way he does that is he goes. The 3rd time around, you're going to start out on this D chord. Dun, dun, down, down. That's going to be a bar on the 5th fret. All the way to the bottom. Then on the 7th fret, you're going to bar across the D, the G, and the B string. Move it up 2 frets to the 7th and the 9th. Then move all the way back here to the 3rd fret. So it goes. Then back to the 5th fret, and then back to the G chord. Okay. G, and you let it ring out again, then it starts over again. All right, from there, you're going to get into this to the chorus part of it, and it's the same chords in a different order. Okay, I'll go through that really quick. It goes C C C E G G G E D D D E G G C C C E E D D E or D E. goes back into the progression. So let me do that top to bottom really quick, beginning to end. Okay, so it's going to go C, D, he turns on some distortion and plays it again. Becomes sort of a rock song at that point. So that's the chord progression in a nutshell. The chorus always gives me problems because it's so many different chords to remember. But if you write them down and look at them on a piece of paper as you play them, you'll get into the rhythm of it, and it kind of follows the way he's singing, because the guy in Everclear, he sings while he plays guitar, so he kind of follows the chords with the pitch of his voice. So it's a great song. If you ever get a chance, go see Everclear in concert. It's a great concert. So I love the band. I like all their music, but this is one of my favorite songs. So I hope you like it. If you do, like and subscribe to our channel. Check out our catalog of over 150 videos. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you later.